Hello dear audience, Assalamu alaikum. How are you? I hope that you have been doing well, and you can see today's lesson is always bit different, because you can see this today's vocabulary, they are very hard and a lot of you do not know the meaning of them, and even if I tell you the meaning of them without sentence, you will never remember them at all. So that's the reason I have come up with this idea to help you a lot. So I hope that you are going to remember them, and one day you are going to be able to talk to me like me magically. So that's the reason you need this practice. So I hope that actually you are quite interested to learn to speak, and most of the people actually always ask me that how we can develop our speaking. So there is no shortcut way, and you have to learn a lot of vocabs, and you need to know how you should use them in a sentence. So this is how you're going to improve your speaking. Otherwise there is no other alternative way, and you need a proper and perfect environment where you can actually practice, where you can nurture yourself in a proper way. So you can see today's vocabs. Look at the first one. The first one is diabolical. What is the first one? The first one is diabolical. So I guess that you have heard the meaning of this word, maybe or maybe not, but I'm here to actually make you clear the meaning of this word. And the second one is fully fledged. Fully fledged. You see how romantic when you pronounce this word fully fledged. You know, it comes from your heart. So fully fledged. This is the another word that I'm going to teach you. And the third one is oblivious. 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 And the fourth one is saturate. Saturate. This is the another bombastic word, I should say. Saturate. And the last one is archaic. And the last one is archaic. So now you can see that how many you can pronounce those words, or like you barely use them in your conversation. So most of the people or most of the students have propensity to score high in the examination or IELTS, but they barely use any word in their conversation. Their conversation is completely boring, and you will never be able to score high unless you know the use of the words, and you have to have a lot of information regarding the topic that you are given. So that's the reason you need to know them very well. So without further ado, I think I should teach you. So let's begin. Look at the first one. He is a diabolical person. So he is a diabolical person. Now you can guess the meaning. Diabolical, still you have a confusion, so let me write it for you. So diabolical means very bad. Diabolical means very bad. Diabolical means very bad. So he is a very bad person, rather than you can say he is a diabolical person. So I hope that you understand the meaning of diabolical. Now go for the second one. The second one is we need a fully fledged hospital. So how awesome the sentence is. So we need a fully fledged hospital. Still you are confused. Let me give you one more example. I like to live in a fully fledged apartment. So it means completely, guess what could be the meaning? Completely guess. Completely developed. Completely developed. So completely developed or well decorated. We need a fully fledged hospital, means we need a completely developed hospital. Okay, I hope that now you completely understand the meaning of this word. Go for the third one. The third one is you eventually became oblivious to the noise. So oblivious, I think seeing the sentence, a lot of you can gauge the meaning of this word, but still you have a confusion. Let me write it for you. Oblivious means not to be aware, not to be aware of something, not to be aware of something. So you eventually become oblivious to the noise, means you eventually become not aware of the noise, not aware of the noise. So not to be aware of the noise or not aware of the noise. So you can you can actually omit it if you want, you can erase it if you want. So not aware of something, I think that would be good. Not aware of something. So you eventually become oblivious to the noise, means you became eventually not aware of the something. I mean not aware of the noise. I hope that you understand the meaning of it. Let me give you one more example. Like I never become oblivious what people think of me or what they say against me. so that you can say oblivious. So I hope that now you have got it completely. Go for the fourth one. The fourth one is the rain saturated me all the way. This is another fantastic word, saturate. Saturate means I think a lot of you gaze, but still actually you have a little bit confusion. Let me write it for you. Saturated means to make somebody completely gaze, wait, to make somebody completely wait. So the rain saturated me all the way. So the rain made me completely wait all the way. I hope that you understand the meaning of saturate. So from now on, I want you to use them as much as you can. And this is the last one. The last one is academic curriculum. So you can see that academic curriculum is archaic. Archaic. So archaic means very old fashioned. Very old fashioned. Archaic means very old fashioned. So academic curriculum is archaic, means academic curriculum is very old fashioned, obsolete, outdated, backdated. So I think that the academic curriculum we are following turns out to be archaic. So we shouldn't follow this academic curriculum anymore. We need to find a different one, the one who is very creative and innovative. So I hope that you have understood the lesson. Let me paraphrase it one more time for you. He is a diabolical person, means very bad. Diabolical means very bad, so he is a very bad person. So you can say he's a diabolical person. The second one is we need a fully fledged hospital. We need a fully fledged hospital, completely developed or well decorated. You eventually become oblivious to the noise, not aware of something, not aware of something. You eventually become oblivious to the noise, not aware of something. So the rain saturated me all the way to make something completely wet. Wet. Academic, the last one is academic curriculum is archaic, very old fashioned. So I hope that you have enjoyed this lesson and you have learned all the vocabs along with the sentences. So if you really like it, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell button. And you can see that actually my video is completely raw and I don't edit anything, or you will find all the things completely new, and actually you can learn it. You can learn the vocabs. It is possible, but you need a lot of patience, and you know that patience is everything. If you have patience, you can definitely improve a lot. So thank you so much for watching. I will come before you with another video. Bye bye.